Samsung Galaxy S11 release date, specs and price, and the leaks and rumors about new iPhone rival. Samsung's next big smartphone may be just a few months away, and experts have revealed its secrets to the sun. We've rounded up predictions from industry insiders about the rumored Samsung Galaxy S11, the next big iPhone rival. Samsung's Galaxy S10 will be replaced in a matter of months. Samsung Galaxy S11 news, what is it? The Samsung Galaxy S11 is a rumored smartphone expected to launch in 2020. It's tipped as the successor to Samsung's flagship Galaxy S10, which went on sale earlier this year. Samsung hasn't formally announced the Galaxy S11, but fans and industry watchers expect it all the same. The Galaxy S range is Samsung's most iconic tier of smartphones, and act as a direct rival to the Apple iPhone. The new Samsung phone could feature an upgraded camera and a faster 5G chip. Samsung Galaxy S11 release date, when is it out? The Samsung Galaxy S10 was unveiled at a press event on February 20th, and then went on sale globally on March 8th. We spoke to CCS Insight analyst Ben Wood, who predicted a similar timeframe for the Galaxy S11. Samsung is almost metronomic with its product release cycles, Ben told The Sun. So it's highly likely we'll see the next generation of Galaxy S devices in February 2020. Two other analysts, Dan Ives of Wedbush Securities and Paolo Pescatore of PP Foresight, added that the handset would probably be unveiled at Mobile World Congress. MWC is a major Barcelona tech show typically attended by Samsung. The next show is set to take place between February 24th and 27, but any big press conferences will take place one day before the convention begins. So expect to see a major Samsung announcement on February 23rd, if the firm uses the show for its phone launch. The Galaxy S11 will probably feature the impressive Samsung Infinity O design. Samsung Galaxy S11 specs and features, what's new? Samsung hasn't revealed any details about its next Galaxy S phone, but analysts are predicting big things for the blower nonetheless. Next year will be big for new smartphones. All eyes will be on Apple's 5G iPhone, industry expert Paolo told us. Therefore, expect rivals to bring major revolutionary upgrades to their new shiny devices. Samsung is no exception. Typically, it focuses on the camera and enabling new experiences. This will not change while more functions will be powered by artificial intelligence, AI. Quote, CCS Insights Ben reckons we'll see new camera tricks on the phone. He said to look out for improvements around zoom photography, which is a clear trend for phones right now. And Ben added, biometrics and security could play a key role too, and I'd expect areas like face unlocking to be better than ever. Meanwhile, Dan reckons we're going to see a big focus on 5G technology. But he said to expect better camera specs, greater battery capacity, and a myriad of different colors too. What we know for sure is that the Galaxy S11 will have a more powerful processor on board. And it will almost certainly run on a newer version of Google's popular Android OS. Samsung, a brief history. Here's what you need to know. Samsung is a major South Korean company made up of many businesses that operate globally. It's known locally as a chaebol, which means business conglomerate. It was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as a trading company, but over several decades, it branched out into food processing, insurance, textiles and retail. It wasn't until the late 1960s when Samsung entered the electronics industry, for which it's best known in the West today. It also launched businesses in construction and shipbuilding in the 1970s. Today, Samsung's most important sources of income are its smartphones and computer chips. The firm accounts for around a fifth of South Korea's total exports, and roughly 17% of the country's GDP. More than 320,000 staff are employed by Samsung Global. In 2017, Samsung turned over the equivalent of £174 billion today in revenue. Samsung Galaxy S11 price, how much will it cost? It's very early to try to predict Samsung's Galaxy S11 pricing. Gadget geeks will be watching Apple's September iPhone launch closely, because that will affect how rivals respond next year in terms of price. Dan told The Sun to expect similar pricing for the Galaxy S11 compared to last year's S10. The Galaxy S10 launched at £799, so it's possible the Galaxy S11 will follow suit. However, nothing is certain until the official launch, so take all leaks, rumors and predictions with a pinch of salt. The long-delayed foldable Samsung Galaxy Fold is finally ready for launch, and will land in September. We reveal the UK's fastest 5G smartphones, but it's bad news for Samsung. and read all about the rumored Samsung iPhone killer with a huge battery. What new features would you like to see added with the Galaxy S11? Let us know in the comments.